Hi, I'm Lars. I'm coming to you today from the AirHawk manufacturing facility in Southern California. I'm going to show you today how to properly inflate your AirHawk and how to install it onto your seat. When you get your AirHawk, it's going to come in a box just like this one here. And when you remove it, you're going to see whichever model that you purchased. And there's going to be a zipper around the back side here. You're going to open it up slightly, maybe about 4 or 5 inches, to expose the nozzle that's inside here. Kind of looks like a car tire nozzle, but it's not. You're going to open it up just by screwing the nozzle open a little bit. You're going to give it a little bit of air just to inflate the air channels inside of it. And at that point, you're going to put it on your motorcycle and you're going to give it a try. So you're going to get on top of it, sit on it. You're going to feel that it floats you a bit. It might feel a little squishy underneath you at first. What you're going to want to do from that point is, as you're sitting on it, you're going to let a little bit of air out at a time, just until you're about 1/4 inch off of the seat. That's what we like to have your sit bones, which are your ischial tuberosities, sitting just about 1/4 inch off of the seat. That's perfect ride height, at least what we consider. Now, everybody's different and everybody can ride with different height, but that's what we generally recommend. So it might take a little bit to get it adjusted, but once you get it, it's going to serve you really well. So I'm going to put this to the side right now. We have another seat here that we've already installed the straps that come with the AirHawk on it. I'm going to turn over the seat and I'm going to show you how the straps work. We like to have them in a cross pattern across the back side of the seat. And of course they just attach with a really simple system here that has a little hook on the eyelet here, and you can install it or detach it from that. And again, once you get on the seat, it's going to feel a little floaty. You just open up the valve, let a little bit of air out, close it again. Might ride it for a little while, maybe let a little more air out until you just get to that perfect ride height. So that's what we recommend and how you adjust your AirHawk. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and we'll help you where needed.